Every wine has a unique quality and characteristic, a special flavor that develops along with harvesting and production methods. Some bottles travel for miles and miles from all around the world before being tasted. However, the traditional way of serving isn't really the best option when it comes to preserving and pouring different wines at the same time. In fact, when a bottle is opened, the process of oxidation sets in, causing the wine's flavors and aromas to deteriorate, resulting in product spoilage. Introducing the Wineemotion Dispensing and Preservation System. The ultimate solution for a fast and well-organized service that helps you manage and increase your wine supply. It's a flexible system that is also suitable for whiskey, vodka, rum, and other beverages. Thanks to its minimal and sleek design, it acts as a beautiful display for your bottles, allowing your clients to help themselves and independently pick the wine they prefer. Through the use of neutral gas, such as nitrogen, the dispenser guarantees long-term preservation, always at the perfect temperature. Thanks to precise portion control, you'll finally avoid overpouring. And by connecting the machine to a computer, you'll be able to track your sales and revenue in real time. Or you can connect your dispenser in a simple way directly to our cloud service, available for all our customers around the world. This solution allows you to offer even more wines by the glass, resulting in higher profits, better customer satisfaction, and a wider selection for your clients, who can finally pair every dish with the proper wine during the same dinner. Whether you run a wine shop or an online business, you can program our systems to pour smaller portions so your clients can actually taste the bottle before buying it. Wineemotion dispenser can be easily installed inside any restaurant or hotel, or even at your home. Wherever in the world you are, you can always enjoy and serve fresh wine by the glass. We believe every bottle has a unique story that needs to be told to the last drop.